Hello everybody from Plant Reviews. I just came back from my holiday. Today's the 21st of August, and well, as you can see, the Cattleya violacea semi-alba flammea has already wilted flowers. Well, they were kind of fading already when I made the video, and unfortunately the Cattleya, the other Cattleya, the Cattleya violacea, the normal type, the Cattleya violacea, decided to bloom precisely when I left, and unfortunately the longevity of the flowers of this plant I have is a lot less than the other one, and just 2 weeks have passed since the flowers opened precisely on the day I was leaving, and as you can see, the flowers are kind of fading already. I will try my best to attach this video to the one I made about Cattleya violacea semi-alba flammea, because of course the species is the same, and otherwise, if I'm not able to attach the 2D videos together, I really need to improve my IT skills. Anyway, I will publish this short video just after the other one, so you can have a view at both videos. Of course, the details for the cultivation and the biology of the species are the same of the video of the Cattleya semi-alba. Sorry, Cattleya violacea semi-alba flammea. And about the color of this form, the typical violacea, as you can see, there is this beautiful violet pink color. The entire flower really has the same color of this upper petal. Now you can see the lower part of this petal is fading because the flower obviously is fading, but when the flower is in full bloom at the prime of its splendor, it is really this quite intense violet lavender color, except for the lip, that even if the flower is fading, as you can see, it is absolutely intense magenta color with these stripes from the bottom of the lip coming towards the inner part of the flower, and these magenta stripes kind of fuse together towards the throat of the flower, and there is a touch of yellow on the throat that otherwise is pink, as you can see. About the fragrance of the flower, even if the flowers are already fading, it's still some fragrance, and it is quite floral, like rose scented as the violacea semi-alba flammea, so I would say that I can't really detect any difference in fragrance. Of course, if I would have smelled them in full bloom, they might have been more intense. However, I'm still happy that both these two Cattleya violacea really bloomed very easily in my house, and this is definitely a species of Cattleya I can recommend you. The flowers are absolutely gorgeous, and as you can see, even this violacea, the typical violacea, has this very peculiar flower, this with the lip of the flower coming strongly forward, while the two other petals, as well as the sepals, they are kind of reflexed backwards, so they give to the flower quite a flat shape. It is an absolutely gorgeous species. I'm really happy to have been able to buy this Cattleya, and of course I wish you the best to find it for sale in the country where you are. As usual, Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like this video, it would be great if you can please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this video and the other videos on my channel, it would be great, of course, if you can please subscribe. It is completely free for you, but it is very important for the YouTube platform to recognize that actually people like and enjoy my videos, and this way you can support me to make other videos about orchids and many other flowers. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.